I'll show you how to appeal and fix the "We suspended your Facebook account" error with 180 days left to appeal. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. First, read the suspension information provided by Facebook to understand why your account was suspended. Tap on the Appeal button. Enter the text from the image captcha, then tap Continue. Now, you'll need to record a video of yourself. Tap Record Video. Tap Start Selfie. Allow Facebook to take photos and record video if prompted. Follow the instructions to record your video selfie. Once finished, tap the Submit button to submit your video selfie for review. Finally, tap the Finish button. Your appeal has now been submitted. Check back later for the results. It usually takes a few days for Facebook to review your appeal. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.